Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to create an associative array and access its elements using loop. I will create an associative array called courses, which courses are categorized by semester, and let's go ahead and create that. So I start by naming my array courses, and as I said, we'll categorize them by semester. So I call it semester 1. Now for semester 1, I will create an array, right? And this array will contain multiple elements, and each element will represent a course. So here I'll go ahead and say the name of the course, or let's call it course name. I'll call it course 1, and also I will have, let's say, course code, which I will put 1 2 3 4 5. 4 is enough, I believe, right? So this is 1. I'm going to create multiple courses here, so I'm going to put a comma and copy this and paste it 4 times. Okay, and I just change these names so we can identify them when we print them. So here it is. Call it 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and print this first. So I would do a war dump on courses, right? Let's see what we have here. I will open a terminal. I'm using VS Code, so I'm opening a terminal and type PHP. My name file is associative. Let me just go ahead, CD videos, I believe. Yeah, okay, and then I will do PHP Associative Array, run this. Here you go. So I'll get all the values, right? I have printed everything. So if I want to go ahead and only print the semester 1, since this is an associative array, I have to use the semester 1 key, right? So let's go ahead and see what is happening here. I'm clearing the screen, run this. So as you can see, it prints all the array. If I want to print the very first course in semester 1, I simply have to go reference the first array element. Remember, this part is an array, and then each of these associative array is an element of the array that is value of the semester 1. So if I save this, go to here you go, and I get the first one, as you can see, course 1. So I change this to 1, run it one more time, I get the second one, right? So if I'm going to loop through the associative array, this is how it works. So I'm going to use a for each loop, and in this case I'm going to use courses as I'll call it first one is category, right? And second one is course names, or courses, let's call it, right? It's better that way, I believe. Well, actually I have this, I have the courses value here. I'll call it course array. Huh? Okay, so I have the categories and I have the course array. Let's go ahead and print this, see what's happened. So I'm going to go ahead and then war dump category first, right? Let's refresh this, run it. Here you go. I'll get semester 1, right? And let's print course array. Let's see what we have in there. So here is, I'm going to get 3 courses, right, for semester 1. So all the arrays are there. Again, if I go here and I print this now, I will get the first course, right? And if I go further and I want to get the what was it, course name of the first array element, right? Let me clear this. So I simply can get course name. And if I go change this one to course code, I should be able to receive or print course code, which is 1 2 3 4, right? That makes sense. Now what I want to do is this. So I basically want to have another loop, and I want to print everything. So I'm going to comment this, and this time I'm going to use a for loop. So I will say for index equal 0, index is less than count. And what I have to look into this is the course array, right? Course array, sorry. Course array is the array that I want to loop through, correct? And finally, I'm going to increment the value of index. Remember, we could use I, but I just wanted to have a better naming, that's all. So here it is. If I go right now and I would say echo course array at index, right? Course name, it should print the course name for me, right? Let's see if that works. Yeah, let me put a new line so it goes to the next line so we can see it. I'm going to use PHP end of line constant. So this is new line, right? Clear, one more time. Here you go, course 1, 3, 4, right? So I can simply get anything and I can populate anything I want. Now, if you want to have a drop down, if you want to have checkbox, all that, you can simply just create it because you have the value, right? Now, if I go ahead and copy this semester 1, paste it at the end, and make it semester 2, right? So this is the second semester, and I'm going to change this one again to different name so we can see it. So here is, I have A, B, C, and D, right? So if I go clear this, run this, here you go. See that? You can get all the courses. Of course, anywhere in this loop, I can simply go ahead and say echo category PHP end of line. So I can print the category along with the related courses, right? Semester 1, semester 2. That's all it is. I hope you enjoyed the video.